Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, we had a big push down on Friday for non-farm payroll news. We are definitely hoping this is the end of a correction on the higher time frames. We for sure got a nice break of structure, so we know that this whole move up is likely over. If this move up is a wave C, which it looks like it is, then that means this move up right here should be a pullback to this move down. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm looking for one, two, three waves up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, and then a nice engulfing move to the downside. It doesn't have to happen at the 50. It could happen at the 61 or even the 78. But if you get a good reaction out of one of those Fib levels, it could be potentially the beginning of like a wave three. Because if this is the end of a correction on the higher time frames, it should start to make lower lows, lower highs on like the 4 hour to daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.